Box in the Kalkal. Every step is trustworthy. This boots is not your average ordinary boots. This is an incredible 100% waterproof, rubber, soft, and flexible boots. Right here on the top, you can see their beautiful logo. So the right here, it's soft. I don't see if you could see that. Very soft. Comes on with the rubber, and then you could see heavy duty coated on the bottom right here, and it's not steel toe, but it's really hard, so it's not heavy. And look at the grip on the bottom. Oh my god, look at that amazing grip. And look at this piece right here. This is a hard piece right here. So the good thing about this, you got the easy slip on and slip off for you right here. You just hold this when you put it on, and the inside is coated really nice, and you could see it come packaged really nice. This is a good boots. Check in the description box below for price and detail. I don't know if you guys could see the rubber insulated in here. Oh, it's so soft as I put in my hand and feeling it. So this is a boots you definitely want to get your hand on for rain, gardening, or snow day even, because it's waterproof and with the big grip. And the price right now, and I think it's on sale right now, so check in the link in the description box and get your hand on one of these boots. Get a boots that makes sense and it's worthy. So they have different variety of these boots. They have hunting boots and stuff like that. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone, which we do a lot of review and we test out the product. I will be wearing this and showing you guys later on, do some shorts too. These are pretty cool. I love how they're made really well, and it looks pretty cool.